This book is called Love from the Crayons by Drew DeWalt and Oliver Jeffries. Love is red. Why? Because love comes in big and small, all shapes and sizes. Love is the color purple because love has its own imagination. Love is brown. Why? Because love is sweet, like chocolate. Love is gray because love can be small and soft, or big and strong. Love is white because sometimes love is hard to see. Love is green because love is helpful. Love is yellow and orange because love is sunny and warm. Love is blue because sometimes love is stormy. Love is the color pink because love can be silly. Love is peach. Why? Because sometimes love can hide. Love is the color black because love isn't always bright and not always colorful. Love is every different colors all in one. Love is